the Seedlings Sessions. Come with us. Hi there, I'm Tweet and I'm a bird. I'm new here. Do you like my show? Let's learn about my friends. Birds have beaks. Bird has feathers. Birds have wings. Birds build nests. And lay eggs. Birds like to eat worms, insects, fruit and seeds. And they can fly. There are lots of different birds. Robins, blackbirds, blue tits, magpies, starlings, and seagulls. There's another type of bird. The Wildling bird. It has magical feathers and lays shiny eggs. Can you spot the Wildling bird? There he is! Can you find him this time? There's Wildling bird. You did it, Super Seedling! You are a great bird spotter. Birds fill our world with bright colours and beautiful song. Look out for our other bird videos coming soon.